Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market. Today I'm going to share with you what I see on the Bitcoin chart on the daily time frame, 3 days time frame, 4 hour and 6 hour as well. Stay with me, let's check it out. Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to start with Bitcoin on 3-day time frame. Actually, after the crash we had yesterday, I found out about something on the 3-day time frame for Bitcoin. Actually, there is nothing to be worried about because on the 3-day time frame, the $63,000 for Bitcoin actually, that was the previous high on the 3-day time frame. As you can see here, we had two 3-day candle actually in the past, in the April. That was the high for Bitcoin, $63,000. And as you can see on the chart, on the 3-day time frame, look at in here, it is so amazing for us at the moment. For how many times Bitcoin tried to pass the $63,000? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 9 times actually attempted to break the $63,000, finally Bitcoin could break above the 60,000. Actually, we went to about the $69,000 area, and now we are having a correction. It's a very healthy correction for Bitcoin. Is going back to the downside just to test the previous resistance we had about the $63,000. As you can see in here, the $63,000 area, it was a really strong resistance for Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin broke above it with the one candle on the 3-day time frame. Now we are going back to test this one actually, and it is a really healthy correction. There is nothing to be worried about because as you can see in the past, in the April, $63,000 on the 3-day time frame, that was a huge resistance. We couldn't break it and we had a crash to about the $30,000 area. Now after the rally we had to the actually we had to the 60k area or sub 60k actually for the several times. Actually with the 9 3-day candle we tried to break above the $63,000 area. I didn't know about that one till actually we had a crash yesterday. We had a correction yesterday. It is so actually amazing. It's showing up on the 3-day time frame. We had the attempt actually for few times. We couldn't break the $63,000 area. As you can see, let me just show it to you. It looks like we had got the what is it? Ascending triangle. If I show it to you, we had actually ascending triangle. If you see in here, we tried 63k, we came down again. We tried 63k, we came down again. And with a huge candle actually from the bottom was about the $61,000. We went up to about the $68,000. And now as you can see on the 3-day time frame, we broke this one. And actually we just going back to test the $63,000. It is a really classic move on the market, and I think after 1 or 2 days we are going to make a new all-time high for Bitcoin. On the 3 days everything is normal. I'm going to show you on the daily time frame for Bitcoin as well, on the 4-hour time frame as well. On the daily time frame, what do I have in here to show you? Actually, on the daily time frame, $63,000 is still a really nice support for Bitcoin. As you can see on the chart, what do we have in here? It looks like Bitcoin is playing inside this ascending triangle, as you can see in here. And I think after the few days we are going, we do have that power. Actually, the bulls do have that power to break the $68,000 area to the upside another time and make a new all-time high for Bitcoin. As you can see, according to this ascending triangle we have got in here, actually I think we are not supposed to break below $63,000 as I showed to you on the 3-day time frame. And according to this trend line or the support line we have got in here, we shouldn't break below $63,000 area. Now, according to this area we have got, as you can see, the $63,000 worked really nice as a resistance, a strong resistance. Now is working as a support for Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is going to play between the $64,000 to about the $66,000, and after that we do have that power. The bulls do have that power to break the $68,000 one more time, and we are going to make a new all-time high for Bitcoin. According to this chart I have got on here on the daily time frame, another thing we can see, actually Bitcoin made a rally to the upside, and we were playing inside this symmetrical triangle. After it broke this symmetrical triangle to the upside, now we are just going to back test this resistance we had in the past. Now is working as a really nice support for us. According to this one, if you see in here, the resistance we had for this symmetrical triangle, we broke it to the upside. Now we are back testing this one, and everything is normal, everything is good and healthy, and we are just going to make another rally to the upside for Bitcoin. If I go on the 4-hour time frame, at the moment, what do we have in here? Actually, if I showing it to you, according to this 4-hour time frame I have got in here, if you see in here, just let me showing it to you. On the histogram on the MACD, we have got the bullish divergence as the Bitcoin is making higher, as Bitcoin is making actually higher low on the 4-hour time frame. We are making the lower low on the MACD histogram on the 4-hour time frame, and that show us actually what do we have in here. We have got the bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin as well. If I go on the 6-hour time frame, actually everything is normal as well. There is nothing to show on the 6-hour time frame. According to this daily time frame I have got in here, we are still making higher high, and we are still making higher low on the daily time frame for Bitcoin. The previous high we had was about a 67. Now the new all-time high we have got, which is about a 69k for Bitcoin. And according to this one, actually we were playing inside it. I don't know what happened to my chart. Actually, it should be like this. It looks like we were playing inside this bull flag. According to this bull flag we have got, I think is going to take Bitcoin to the about the $86,000 area in the next few days and weeks. Look at in here, actually what did we have in here for Bitcoin? It looks like we had a bull flag. Now the flag is actually broken to the upside, and according to this bull flag we have got in here, I think Bitcoin is going to make a rally to about the $86,000 area. If I go showing it to you another chart on the daily time frame, it looks like we have got a rectangle, and Bitcoin, after reached to about the $67,000 area, is playing between this support and resistance actually at the moment. I'm not expecting the 63k actually to break one more time. If 63k break, actually we are going below this support line we have got in here, which is not a good sign for Bitcoin, which is not that likely to happen for Bitcoin. I'm expecting Bitcoin actually to stay above the $63,000 area and break to the upside and pass the $68,000 one more time and make a new all-time high. According to this chart I have got in here, as I showed it to you on the 4-hour time frame, we just did back test the previous resistance we had. Now is working as a support for us, and I'm still pretty sure, actually it's not the financial advice, I'm just sure actually we are having another bull run, another rally to the upside for Bitcoin. And that was all from me for today. I wanted to show you, and there is nothing to be worried about the correction we had yesterday for Bitcoin. That was all from me. I wanted to show you, actually to share it with you. If you have found the video helpful, please take a second of your time and press the like button and subscribe to our channel if you are new to our channel as well. Thank you so much guys, and see you in the next one.